Assalamu alaikum to all of my students. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to take the concept of opportunity cost. What we call opportunity cost. Opportunity cost means value of a factor and its next best alternative use. I will give you an example now to understand this. For example, if a person is going to see a movie and he has to pay 60 rupees in order to enjoy the movie, but he is buying a book of economics, for that which he has to pay 80 rupees. Buying a book at the rate of 80 rupees and losing loss of enjoying a movie at the rate of 60 rupees, we can call an opportunity cost because it involved cost. As in this example, we are observing there is a choice to a person. He can enjoy the movie, but he prefers to buy economics book. That means during this process it involved cost, means shifting of one use to another. That can we call opportunity cost. I will write down. There are too many examples which we can write down. First, I will define the opportunity cost. Then I will give you examples. What we call opportunity cost. Opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is the value of a factor. Value of a factor and it is next best alternative use. The best use. There are choices we can use in a best, not to gain more. I will give you example, simple example to understand this. Let us consider one acre of land used by the producer for the production of apples, means use first of land, but due to some reason, we can write down, due some reason he utilized the same land for the production of wheat. Shifting of production of apples to production of wheat, it involves some cost. Means this we call, we easily can say, opportunity use first opportunity, use second opportunity. In these two cases, these involves some cost. In economics, we call that opportunity. We call that opportunity cost. By shifting of resources, by using of resources, not in production of apples, but in production of wheat. During this course of, it involves cost. Economics does that cost called opportunity cost. Meaning loss of production of apples. Loss of production of apples. I will understand the line. Loss of production of apples. In order to produce production of wheat, we can call this opportunity cost. It involves some cost when he shifts from production of apples in producing production of wheat. In his loss of this apples, production of apples, we can call opportunity cost. I will show this with the help of graph in order to understand this. Yes, for example, here I will write better is to write here. For example, I will draw a table here, understanding purpose. For understanding purpose, production of apples in the same acre of land, value of output in use first, that is 400, for example. Use second for producing wheat, is 600. For understanding purpose, only for understanding purpose. Now I will show this on graph, what we call opportunity cost. This will be 100, this will be 200, this will be 300, this will be 400. This is use first. This will be use second. Now see 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Now I will draw the opportunity cost curve, as I will join this curve. We can call opportunity cost curve. Opportunity cost curve. Means producer has a possibility of to produce 400 production of apples, but instead of producing 400 production of apples, he shifts to producing 600 of wheat. Means loss of this production of apples, he is gain production of wheat. Shifting of resource from 400 to produce quantity of wheat, this we call it involves some cost. This cost we call opportunity cost. I think I try to clear this concept. In next lecture, there is another concept, marginal opportunity cost. In next lecture, I will try my level best to clear that concept in next lecture. Till that time, hope for the best. Take care. Have a nice day.